Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and here's today's tech tip. Do you have a laptop with a broken screen? Well, before you go ahead and fix that screen or replace it, you want to keep in mind that it may not be worth doing so. It all depends on how old your laptop is and how expensive it was when you first got it. The older your laptop, the more likely it is that at some point your motherboard's going to fail. Conversely, if you have a motherboard problem with your laptop, you may not want to replace that because you don't know how long the screen's going to last. After about 5 or 6 years, you really want to take into account the cost of a new laptop. This here laptop is $580. It's pretty nice. And you always want to weigh the cost of the repair against the cost of getting a new rig. If you live in the Memphis, Cordova, Bartlett, Germantown, Oakland, Arlington, Collierville, Millington, or Eads, Tennessee area, and you need a computer expert to come to your home and help you solve your computer problems, feel free to give me, Dave Bensman, a ring at 901-830-4362. Mention ad code PC Perfect for 10% off your first visit.